Hello everybody, I am Rafa Jaén from Denkadigi, and today we are starting a new project with DigiShape about small webinars. That today will be the first one. Today we're going to talk about the AK1 adapter for Roland 42W, and in the future days, future months, we will show you some new webinars about small tips, about digital workflow, about the milling machines, software like Exocad or Mailbox. We will show you some new protocols, new daily basis about digital workflow. Today we start AK1 for 42W, but in the future we'll show some new different videos about all the different kinds of aspects in the digital workflow. Okay, so let's start with the first video today. We'll talk about AK1 for 42W. It's simply an adapter for milling custom abutments in your in-house machine, 42W. And you will see the simple workflow that we will use for adapting this new type of reconstructions to our milling machines that we can mill previously AMAX crowns, Trilux materials with glass ceramic materials, for example. So let's start with the video. First of all, I want to show you what are the pre-mills here with my camera. Pre-mills are simply this cylinder, as you can see, that you have the connection of the geometry of the implant already milled in this type of block. Which is the advantage of this? What are the good parts of this? That the connection is already milled from the fabric, from the implant manufacturer. So the accuracy of precision of adjustment to the implant is perfect. So with this small machine like Roland 42W, we can mill only the blank, this cylinder, and have our custom abutment. And it will end more or less like this. As you can see more or less how it ends. So what are the advantages? That we can mill custom abutments in a very simple way, fast way, and afterwards we can have a better adjustment to the gingiva, better workflow. Okay? We will see quickly a brochure of the Roland 42W. Here is in the web of the DigiShape. You can go inside of it, search for DWX-42W. Here you can see some information, very simple. And you scroll down, you can come here down to the AK1 abutment. You can see some information, and then also in the brochure, here we can check it out together, so we can see more or less with some pictures what is the AK1. Simply is this type of connector that here goes the pre-milled, okay, and then you can mill your custom abutments. 3 steps, very simple. We have to replace the tray that we will show you afterwards in a small video, attach the AK1 attachment, and start milling. Very simple. There are some new milling burrs that are already introduced in the kit, that are the red ones. Okay, and that's it. Very, very simple. There are 3 types of attachments that are compatible with big implant connections, that are Geomedi, Medentica, and anti-trading. Okay, that's it. Let's go and continue with some here. We can see the new milling burrs, the new kit, 3 milling burrs that are very simple. As you can see, they are shorter milling burrs because for milling titanium there needs some more strength, and the shorter is the milling burr, the more resistant it will be. Okay, that's it. And this will be the adapter, in this case, the Medentic adapter. How do you check it out? Very simple. There is like a rail in the abutment, also a rail in the attachment. Simply, as any other block, introduce it and screw it. Very simple. And now you mount it in the machine as a normal block of an amic or a block of glass ceramics. Okay, let's go and see a small video of the design. This is a simple case that we mostly use this type of restorations that are for custom abutments, and on top of it we will do a bridge of zirconia in this case. What are the advantages about this type of restoration? That we have custom abutments, not a normal interface. So we control the gingiva and we control all the pressure we do on it. The design is not, The design is not as complicated because it's very simple to do it with Exocad. Great workflow. Okay, let's go. When we do the design, then we go to Mailbox and we have to mill one by one all the abutments. Okay, in this case, we use, as I said before, Mailbox, a very simple software that I use in my daily basis. And when we purchase the abutment kit, simply we have to have an add-on in the Mailbox software. Then will appear here in our first step, our AK1 adapter. Now we can select the material, titanium, and select the type of attachment. In this case, will be magnetic attachment. Click on it. Okay. Next step. Already uploaded, and now we can select our abutment in this case. This time is the case we did before, that there are 5 types of abutments. I have them all here. Select the first one, and because there's only one type of restoration we can mill, it's a pilar in this case in Spanish, it's a custom abutment, we import it. Okay, now you will see it's very simple that the software asks me for a blank. In this case, we're going to do binary blanks that are a company we work together and have some testings, and simply we have to select the type of a cylinder we're going to mill. In this case, you can see that inside of the software there are a lot of compatibilities. There are a lot of implant systems that work together with pre-mills. When you want to try a pre-mill protocol, you have to ask your implant connection if they have this availability of milling pre-mills. If they have it, you also have to ask the scan body you're going to scan if it's compatible with your pre-mill, because everything is associated. The pre-mill blank is already inside of the ExoCAD or 3Shape design. You have to check it out and make sure that your scan body and your library is compatible with your blank for milling. Okay? We can also create new blanks with this button. We're not going to do it, but very, very simple. You just have to add the cylinder, the diameter of the cylinder, the length of the cylinder, and have the connection already designed. Okay, we import our blank and our cylinder, and now already will be very simple. It will be already aligned our design of the custom abutment with the blank. And as you will see, the protocol is designing the custom abutments, and for milling, the milling part, the cam part, is the most simple of any type of restoration, because there's no way of moving anything. You can only modify the connector that we see right now, the connector. Okay, that's it, ready to mill. The only thing we will change is here, our green connectors, as you can see, it's a little bit wider than the custom abutment. So simply clicking in the connector, we can change the diameter very slightly, a little bit smaller, and now we have our diameter of the connector is the same as the abutment. If you had a little bit bigger, the problem will be that our abutment will not be as designed as we want. We'll have an extra material here that we don't want, so simply reduce this diameter. Okay, we can see here that everything's connected, very good connected. You can see everything is okay, and that's it. That is our protocol for CAM protocol, very simple. We go to save the trajectory and for milling. Okay, that's it, not anything here to do difficult. Okay, so let's go to see that, now a small video of the whole protocol that we did this before, because showing it in the camera is too difficult. We have a small video and I will comment it. So this is the daily basis. We have our kit. We mount our attachment to our blank. We have the mailbox screen, and we also will change here the tank, as you will see, as the filters. Okay, we connect it, we screw it, and a simple pin, the same, and screw. Very simple. Now we will change our filters. Okay, the normal filter for glass ceramics, we change it, and that's it. That's the daily basis protocol. Very simple. So this filter is new, it's different, so the metal that gets out of the blank doesn't get in the circuits of the machine. Okay, here we can see that the 3 milling burrs are compatible with the 6 blanks for milling burrs, so we don't have to change any burr manually. And that's it. Now starts milling. More or less 30 minutes for blank, depending on the width of the design. And for me, the best part is that the finishing the finishing that takes the machine, it's also almost polished. As you can see here, it's very, very polished. So our after work will be none. After the milling blank it's milled, our custom abutment, we only have to cut it, and it's ready to cement. I hope you like it, and see you soon. Bye.